Are you looking for ways to make extra money without putting in too much work? Do you work a 9-to-5 job and need an alternative income source? We've got you covered, because in this video, we'll be looking at some of the secrets to making money while you sleep. If this sounds interesting, watch the video until the end, so you don't miss anything. Now, without further ado, let's get right into it. One thing you must understand is that making money requires effort and dedication. So while the ideas we'll be revealing in this video will show you the least stressful ways to make money, you must still work to some degree to create value. As the saying goes, the world is your oyster, if you're ready to put in the effort. With enough work, you can supplement your income with these passive money-making ideas, and you can finally quit your 9-to-5 job to have time and freedom to do whatever you like. That is the true meaning of financial independence. How do you define passive income? Making money while you sleep is another way of describing passive income. It simply refers to getting regular income that is decoupled from your personal time. Unlike a typical 9-to-5 job that pays by the hour, for example, rental income from a property or consistent sales from an online course are commonly considered passive income. But there are countless other variations of which we'll cover the most important ones in this video. Time is seen as more valuable than money because there is no way to get your time back once you've spent it, while money can be replaced. Therefore, generating passive income to get your time back is crucial. And if you're an employee who exclusively trades your time for money, you're pretty much stuck there. Your strategy to get out of this situation is to scale up your passive income streams gradually. Start by adding one and put work into it to get it going. Once it generates passive income for you, move on to build the next. Rinse and repeat. And you'll eventually be able to replace your 9-to-5 income completely. Okay, it is time we reveal the money-making ideas that can make you money while you sleep. And make sure to watch all the ideas so you can pick the ones that work best for you. If you're enjoying the video, please click the like and subscribe button and turn on post notifications to get updates when we post more videos like this. Now, here are 9 business ideas that will make you money while you sleep. Number 1. Invest in the stock market. It takes money to make money. This mindset is one factor that helps wealthy people stay rich. However, you don't have to be extremely wealthy to make investments. Making suitable investments is a fantastic long-term strategy to earn money without working. Making money doesn't get any easier than this. The stock market is a fantastic start if you are looking for ways to invest some of the money you're making from your regular job. While no stock investment comes with a 100% guarantee of success, it is often true that those who invest in safe equities see their capital grow in value while they do nothing else. Hence, the stock market is an excellent place for young people to start building wealth. Especially the strategy of using stocks to generate passive income from dividends is used by many investors. Ideally, you should invest long-term. For example, over multiple years and apply the principles of dollar cost averaging throughout the highs and lows. Number 2. Invest in alternative investments. Investing your money isn't limited to the stock market. Further, it's also not a good idea to put all your eggs in one basket, especially in light of the recent market volatility caused by worldwide health concerns and political tensions. It is a good idea to have multiple, diverse investments. You have to look out for investments that have continued to grow over time and offer an asymmetrical risk-to-reward ratio in your favor. In other words, you want to find a high return on investment, ROI, for a very low risk of losing your money. Some examples include participating in markets such as, for example, fine wine, rare art, precious watches, and real estate, among others. Pick something that you have knowledge about and that interests you. Some of these asset classes can make you money through buying low and selling high, but in that case, you're always dependent on the current market situation. Therefore, try to find asset classes that have positive cash flow. In other words, instead of a lump sum of sale, you'll get paid smaller but regular amounts, even if you don't sell the asset. Such assets will help you build your passive income streams. For example, as a result of fintech businesses unlocking access to markets that were previously exclusively open to wealthy investors, there are several opportunities for you to put your money into alternative investments. You might ask, how to find such investments? This question is where your research work comes in, because nothing comes for free. Number 3. Webinars. One of the best ways to earn money while you sleep is through webinars. Of course, not live ones, but webinars that are recorded once and then get replayed using an automated systems. Automated webinars are available 24/7. However, you need something to offer in order to create one. For example, webinars are excellent for selling high-ticket digital goods and information products. Additionally, webinars are effective in promoting services like coaching and consulting. But this strategy is ideal for offering a digital product if you want to automate your money completely. How much can you charge for a webinar item, you may ask? According to Jason Fladlien, it depends on how warmed up the audience is. You'll find it simpler to sell a product priced at $1,997 and even more, up to $10,000 if you already have a good relationship with your audience and they have warmed to you or your product. For a colder audience that doesn't know and trust you yet, you're more likely to sell a $47 or $97 product first. Using their contact details and first product experience, you can keep building a connection with them. Your goal is to build trust in you and confidence in what you have to offer to help them before they would consider buying a high-ticket product from you. Number 4. Online courses. Online courses are an incredible way to make money, day or night. Once they're up and running, they need very little upkeep, other than updating any outdated or irrelevant content and fulfilling some customer support requests, which can be outsourced. You can create online courses on Kajabi, Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable. On websites like ClickFunnels, you might have more control over your content, and you may also start your own membership-based courses. What kind of courses can you start? You can teach almost anything, but it would be best if you stick to your strengths. Teach photography if you are an expert. Coding? Instruct it. SEO? Teach it. Do you use social media marketing? Then immediately start. But beware, your sales will be significantly affected if it is obvious that you have no idea on what you're teaching. Once you have identified 3 to 5 skills you could teach, you have to research your market and competition. You have to make sure you have a large enough audience and that it is willing to pay. And if there is competition in that market, that is a good sign. You just have to identify how you can be better than the rest or be more appealing to a specific market segment that is underserved. Number 5. Blogging. Why not launch a blog? It's undoubtedly one of the most dependable ways to generate income automatically. Even though starting a successful blog and getting it off the ground requires a tremendous and persistent amount of work, the rewards are long-lasting and have the potential to provide passive income. You can earn money when you run a well-known blog using many methods, most of which are passive. You can sell almost anything in your specialty quickly. And don't forget, you can buy back your time and automate the blog by outsourcing many of the steps involved in building and operating a blog if you have money to invest. What can I blog about, you might ask? Similar to the previous point, you have to research your market. For example, find a class of products that you can write about that appeal to your audience so that you can eventually persuade them to buy these products from you or your affiliate partners. By constantly producing valuable content that genuinely solves an issue or meets a need of your audience, you may gradually expand the blog. Or, if you're interested in profiting, create content or digital goods that are appropriate for the same audience and market them directly through your programs or sales channels. Number 6. Dropshipping. E-commerce is snowballing. Nowadays, it's not just Amazon grabbing the most significant piece of this pie. All across, people are grabbing a hold of goods offerings. What's good about dropshipping? As the store owner, you will never actually handle the goods yourself. Through your online store and the systems that you have set up, you forward your customers' online orders either to the producer directly or to the fulfillment provider, where you have a pre-purchased batch of goods stored. From there, the shipment gets labeled and shipped to the customer under your name. If done correctly, the customer pays you more than you invested, and you can take a profit with every sale. This business model is very scalable and has made many millionaires. When adequately automated, dropshipping allows you the freedom of operating an actual product store or having a brick-and-mortar site. With Shopify, you can create your online store or purchase items from AliExpress and resell them through an Amazon FBA business, or locate another dropshipping company that is eager to take on the task. Number 7. Traditional real estate rentals. Although investing in traditional real estate requires more money to get started than digital products, renting out real estate will always be a great source of passive income. There will always be a demand for housing and employment. Long-term rentals allow you to lock in a tenant while collecting monthly rent. The income will primarily be passive, with some minor maintenance required for repairs. You can also make this income completely passive by hiring a property manager for a fee. However, this fee will reduce your profit margin, but it gives you back time. In any case, even if the margin is lower, maintaining a sufficient positive cash flow will be the key to scaling this income stream. If money is an issue, another option would be to buy a duplex or multiplex using a credit and live in one unit yourself while renting out the others. This approach is known as house hacking because, if done right, you can live for free and even make money while doing so. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. One of the easiest, most scalable, and most lucrative ways to earn money online with little time input is through affiliate marketing. This business idea works well if you already have an email list or other distribution channels. If you don't, you may choose to conduct training via Facebook Live or use YouTube as a distribution channel. You can't succeed as an affiliate marketer without reach or a market, but this can be built over time by putting the work into it. Providing value is at the heart of affiliate marketing. You need to figure out a way to inform and educate people while assisting them in achieving their objectives or resolving a problem. You can create numerous passive income streams as an affiliate marketer if you know how to do it successfully. Number 9. Open a high-yield savings account. In case you need to maintain some liquidity but still want to generate some passive income from that money, consider opening a high-yield checking or savings account. You may already have money in a regular savings account, but these currently offer an interest rate of less than 0.01%. On the other hand, high-yield checking and savings account can offer interest rates of more than 1%, which is about 100 times more effective at accumulating interest than a standard savings account. However, due to the current economic climate, many of these accounts are below the 1% threshold. But with rate increases by the Fed, you can expect these rates to go up as well. Sooner or later, the indexing back to competitive rates with, or even better than those offered by most megabanks, basic savings accounts is expected to occur. When you open a specific type of account, you may be required to commit your funds for a certain period in exchange for the account's higher interest rate. Before opening any other account, you should have a readily accessible emergency savings account, but be aware that you check the yield calculations. For example, some high-yield accounts provide you with a cash sign-up bonus, which is considered in the advertising yield rate calculation, while your net effective long-term yield rate of your invested money is much lower. In summary, there are multiple ways you can make money while you sleep. If you didn't fully catch all the points, consider re-watching this video. And if you did, which of these ideas are you going to try out? Let us know in the comment section below, and see you in our next video. Thanks for watching.